Today we are going to open Magnatiles. See? Actually, Picasso tiles. They're cheaper on Amazon. They're cheaper on Amazon, kid. Look at all these math equations. Wait a second. What does this do? I do not know what it is.
Oh no!
I do not know what it says.
Yeah.
Math equations.
Oh.
It pluses light.
The different ways you can build them, and it equals educational, conventional, inspirational, recreational. You're learning through the shapes of imagination. You want to show them that math equation of all the different Magnatiles, how it equals 100?
Okay, kids. 8 plus 46 plus 12 plus 14 plus 20 equals 100. Now let's open it up. And don't forget my Picasso Magnatiles. It comes with the case and it has this handle. You can hold on. You can take them wherever you want. So okay, so now I'm gonna open it up. Mom, look at my cars.
3D magnetic train truck car.
Did Picasso make these Magnatiles? Oh, he made them. I took this off. Here, I can open yours for you, William. Okay. Mine and the cars for the Magnatiles. I wish I could have Picasso Magnatiles. Just like okay. Look at that. Two. I have two. I'll go throw it away. See? There's no look at those.
Whoa.
Those pink ones. And purple ones. Those pink ones. What? The regular Magnatiles don't have pink ones. Did you know that, Mama? There's always red ones. But no, I wonder why the Picasso tiles have the pink ones. Whoa, that's interesting.
Wow, look at the Sea Patroller.
Oh no, it fell in one of the buoys fell in the water. No.
Wow.
Don't drop in the water. No, keep going. There, dropped it there.
Good.
Hey, can you let me go back in the sea? Well, I am in the sea, and I am swimming.
Look how pretty those are.
Marshall can see the octopus.
Are you going to take some of the Magnatiles out?
Whoa.
Whoa. Wow.
To these ones.
It's okay.
Hey, who's gonna build a house? Yeah. Who's gonna build a house? Oh no! Wider heat. There's 6 pink ones. Do you want that purple one? Yep. Go with my Magnatile car. That size, but I'm not using one of them. I'm going. Yeah. You go in. You have to go in the tank. Okay. You're going in your tank. And you're going in the house. In the squid tank.
That's amazing, William.
Because I'm making a big car. And then it has So many wheels. We need to take the bottom off. You are going right here, your tank. Now you. We're in the tank in the house. Marshall. I'm making the Sea Patrol house for them. And the crab is going in the tank. The crab is going in the tank, William. The crab's going in the yellow tank. Because he's yellow. No, Mama. The crab is in the yellow tank. I'm going to have to...
He's yellow. Oh, and the octopus is in the purple tank because he's purple.
No, he's in a pink one. He has to be purple.
Oh, yeah. He has to be. Wow, William, that's a great truck. It's a train.
I need the roof. This guy likes pink and purple, so we need the pink and purple one. James, and the crab likes car. This car is not floating on the drive. It's driving away right now.
He's driving away by himself.
Circus car.
Yeah, I thought it looked like a circus car too. You could put animals in there.
You can put an animal in here. You can say bacon. Sea Patrol house. Cupping. And I gave you a red one. Oh, I think I could do this. So wait, whoa. Wait. I need to get the Sea Patroller in his room. It's a big one. The room for the Sea Patrol. Marshall needs his car. Yep, that's where his car goes. Yep. Oh, it was outside, remember? Oh, yeah.
Just like that, kids. Time to build another one. Wow.
Always have to be perked up.
What is this? The garage?
And the perk is The Children's Museum.
The children's, whoa! There's Marshall. That's amazing.
In the cloud.
What do you think? I love it. Wow, it's just amazing. The possibilities are endless. You can build a boathouse. You can build a museum. You can build a car garage. You can build a train, a truck, a car, a bird, a plane. We sure love these Picasso tiles.
Thanks for watching, kids. Bye-bye.
Wow, still going strong. Hours later, look at the Leaning Tower of Pisa. See, it's leaning a little.
Big.
Oh,